Awesome is off to school.
A lot of things has happened, but aside that, I will still give you guys the gist, okay? Why I've not been active, why I've not really been coming online. Hi guys, good morning, welcome back to another vlog. Okay, so guys, this is Friday, and okay, yeah, this is Friday. I'm even mistaking this Friday to be Children's Day, no, but today is Friday, and most of you will be like, where did this lady go to? Where have Jennifer been? Like, where is Osyjenny? Osyjenny is here and I'm back. It's not that I'm sick or anything. I'm very much okay. Just I miss you all so much. Thank you so much for those that reach out to me. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. Ordinary 2 weeks, so just 2 weeks. What if I've gone like? What if I maybe let me just say like 1 month? You know, you guys don't see me for 1 month. Most of you reach out to me because of the video that I posted earlier. So people here don't have my number. So I think most of you reached out to me in the previous video that I posted earlier. Some called me to ask me what's up. When I'm still a YouTuber. Of course, I'm not going anywhere, okay? I'm still a YouTuber. But seriously, it has not been easy. Compiling business and filming is not easy, guys. It's not easy, but just you guys should just manage me, okay? Because gonna manage me, I'll still be posting. My phone has been giving me headache, so I just had to delete my YouTube, delete all the apps that I've been using to edit, delete mostly everything. The only thing I have is my WhatsApp and my Instagram because of my business, and even the Instagram self as well. I later deleted the app. Then I now focus only on my WhatsApp because of the thing that I bought, and I do post online. So basically, it's just the space. This space has been giving me headache. I don't really have space in my phone. And one thing with iPhone is that once it's full, forget it. You cannot even get any space anymore because I deleted almost everything. Even at times, the phone will just be pressing on its own. It's to send message to people without informing me. Can you guys imagine? My phone send message without letting me know. Like, people will be like, Jennifer, what's up? You sent me a message. Is it your kids that is typing this rubbish? I'll be like, no, my phone just the type am. And my phone just the type am. But I'll still get a new one, but not now, at least not now. I don't even have the money to start buying a new phone. So that's why I said I'm just be managing this one till I just gather the money and get a new one. So yeah, I want to use this medium to appreciate you all, those that have called to check up on me, those that reached out to me on WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook. Yeah, I think mainly Facebook and Instagram, I think, and WhatsApp. But that Facebook, I didn't really get the messages on time because I don't have Facebook app anymore. It's shocking. Me realize Facebook. I had to delete my Facebook. Even many people think I'm pregnant. Like, plenty. One lady chats me up on Facebook, but okay, I think she's not a YouTuber. No, she's not a YouTuber. She's my friend on Facebook. She was like, madam, you don't go off again. You be like, another belly don't enter. I was like, wait, though, you dey cut off for me. And most of you be like, see, this one said, Jennifer's face is like this. Pico, I just woke up. And I just decided to just do this video this early, okay? Because the kids are already preparing for school, and I think Monday, there's no school on Monday. There's no school on Monday because of this Children's Day of a thing. There's no school, and I just said just do this video now, okay? And thank you all. It's not easy for someone to reach out to you to know what the problem is, or maybe you have been absent for a while, and for someone to just reach out to you like that is not easy. So I want to thank you all. I don't take that love for granted. Even those that I just commented on their page, they'll be like, Jennifer, where are you? What's up? What's happening? What's popping? Hope you are coming back. I'll be like, yes, I will. Just that I have small issues with the phone, and yeah, I just want to thank you guys so much. Thank you for the love. Thank you for everything. Okay, I really appreciate it. So this morning, I want to arrange my things there from there. My kids are already dressed, and I'll go and drop them for school. I think also is only one going to school today. I don't know whether they have school today. I don't know. So I'll just go and drop him off in school. Let me just go in and take my beads. But this is to 7. I've already finished packing up their flowers. Let me just go and take my beads and rush and go and drop them in school. Then I'll come back and I'll arrange my things. Because I'm not going to the shop today, no. I want to arrange because I ordered some things online. Yeah, I ordered some things online. Even when I travel, I still bought some goods that I'm selling. So I want to just arrange them. No store today. I'm not going to the shop today. So I arrange them and pack them up. So I'll just go in and take my beads. The bag that I showed you guys is one of the things that I ordered online, and some are still on the way, but I bought a lot. I'll be displaying them soon on my Instagram. I'll just be posting them bit by bit. Just quickly rush in and take my beads and go and drop Awesome in school.
Few moments later. 1 hour later.
I'm free like a bird. Hey people, what's up? How are you guys doing? So guys, if this is your first time coming across this my channel, or maybe if this is your first time seeing my beautiful face, my name is Osyjenny. Thank you so much for stopping by, and please don't make it your last. Okay, click on the notification bell to be notified anytime that I post my videos. And please guys, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I want to also use this medium to, you know, appreciate you all for always stopping by, for always coming back to watch my videos. Cool. Awesome is off to school. Let me rest. At least let me rest. Come on, also, let's come now. Hey, Omoe, I don't know whether it's only me, but anytime that I drop my kids in school, I used to feel more free, more relaxed, more relieved with stress over shouting. Even this Monday that is Children's Day, I even pleaded with the teacher that can also come to school on Monday. The woman was like, no, that Monday is not school, so they should stay at home. The thing, it's not easy. Parents are really trying, especially mothers, because fathers don't know what women are going through every single day in shouting. Like, I literally take almost every day because of headache over shouting. Awesome, do this. Awesome, drop this. Awesome, oh yeah. Awesome, do this one. Oh, hey God, it's not easy, guys. So at least I've already dropped him. I still went back home to pick some few things to, you know, I want to bill some things to my customers. Then I will run some errands this morning. I will still go to the park. I have so many things to do this morning. Okay, I have so many things to do today, and I want to, you know, quickly rush before going to pick him up in school, because today is Friday. I want to just rush everything I want to do today before going to Awesome School to pick him up, because they will dismiss on time today. Today is Friday, so that kind of one they must have been done by then. So guys, if you are coming across this my channel for the first time, please don't make it your last. Okay, you are highly welcome. You are very much welcome. My name is Osyjenny. For most of you that has just seen my face for the very first time, you are highly welcome. Okay, please don't forget to subscribe. Be cool. Don't forget to subscribe. You're gonna love the vibe here. Like, I'm giving the whole vibe. Seriously, I miss everybody. I miss you all, and I promise, will I say promise? Yeah, I will try. I won't stay this long again, but I will get a new phone. I will get a new phone, but not now. You guys should just pray for me, pray for my business, so that my business will move well this season, so that I can be able to buy a new phone for myself. I'll just be managing posting bit by bit. Like I told you guys, that the reason I have not been online is because of my phone. I don't really have space. All this space wahala, you know, is I don't even delete tire. I had to delete almost everything that is in my phone to be able to create space for this YouTube and to be able to create space for my business. But I also post my business online. I also post my business online, my WhatsApp, Instagram. Even the Instagram, so I'm not really that active posting on Instagram. I guess that I ordered some few things online. So I went to the park. All these drivers, I don't understand. When I went to the park, they told me that the driver say the driver is still on the way. But it was the same driver that called me on phone that I should start coming to the park, that he will not wait for me any longer, that I should start coming. My people, I'm on the phone. I went to the park. Guys, I went to the park today. Reaching there, I called the driver. He told me, I see the road they come. Can you imagine? As if now the man they born for me. I don't understand. I see the road they come. I see the road that they come. Nemo, I tire. These people, like, they just want to frustrate me this morning. And the person that ordered this particular goods is on my neck. I supposed to do this maybe day before yesterday, but the supplier didn't meet up. She had to do the way day before yesterday. So the goods done there for 2 days for road. I just tired. And you know, now once they bring the way, I have to check, because it's glasses. Yes, I ordered glasses. I ordered set of polo. I ordered male jeans. So I have to check if it's intact. Look, you're gonna love it here. You're gonna love the vibe here. You're gonna love everything about this my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to click on your notification bell to be notified anytime at all, anytime that I post my video. Okay, like, I want to say a very big thank you for chatting me up, for checking up on me. It's really not easy. Like, it's really not easy. I don't take that love for granted, I swear down. So guys, I'm gonna end this video here because I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna end this video here. From here, I'm rushing to the market. I'll still go and pick some few things for the house. I'm not really buying much. I just want to cook small food for us. I'm so tired. I will just quickly rush everything and still go and pick awesome in school. Okay, thank you so much, guys. You guys don't know, I don't take this love for granted. No, YouTube, I've met so many amazing people here. I've met so many people that I call sisters. If you notice, anytime I call you sister, don't say you have a special place in my heart. I don't take that love for granted, I swear. God will continue to bless you for remembering Jennifer, for always checking up on me. God will bless you all. So guys, everything that I promise in this channel, I will fulfill it. I will do every single thing. So now that you guys know what I'm facing, you guys already know what the problem is. The problem is my phone. My phone is the only problem. Even when I promised you guys Warri market vlog, I will still do that. Okay, I will still show you guys all places in Warri market, Ibudu market, Hausa side. I will show you guys every damn thing once I fix this phone, and maybe once I get a new one, I will surely fulfill my promise. I don't promise things that I cannot do. No, even my Q&A, I have so many things that I promise in this channel to do, and I will also fulfill them one after the other. Okay. Seriously guys, on a serious note, I know everybody dey normally this country, I swear. This driver don't stress my life. Oh, I'm so tired. I'm even heading home now. Traffic. I'm so tired. Still though. Hey, I don't finally collect my way, guys. So I'm heading home now, and almost 5,000 naira, and I can't cook Indomie anymore. See what I bought in this bag? Just spaghetti. 5,000 naira, I can no longer cook spaghetti in Nigeria. Ordinary one spaghetti. Hey God, the Lord is our strength. Let me just quickly rush home now. I'm done buying things, and I've achieved a lot today. It's not yet 12 safe, so let me just go home and rest. Maybe once it's 12 and 12:30, I'll just quickly rush and go and pick also. The house today will be bad goals. Thank God I finished on time. Ogagawano now, gawa biko, carry your wallet, biko. That driver really stressed, but I don't know why some people not be straightforward. You call someone, I don't know, normally I do that too. Normally if you call someone on phone, hey, what's up, where you day? When I was even at home safe, I was not really doing anything. I was like, okay, let me just quickly rush and drop off some, then I'll just go straight to the park to pick the way bill. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you guys, and I love you. Bye.